Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here, and I'm just going to do a quick update. There's not a lot that went on today. Well, actually, there was a lot that went on, but it's very subtle, so there's not a lot to show. So I'm just going to pan the room and tell you what happened. So we have no action yet here on the closets. They should be framed up sometime next week. And so we'll pan around. That's where the bed was. And today plumbing happened. So down here there's some kind of, I don't know what that is from, but I know that this is where the sink was. So the drain was removed and the water lines were put back into the wall. So that is one thing that happened. And this is, of course, where the toilet will be. It looks like there was some work around that area as well. Along here, you can see this metal thing right here. That is our baseboard heat. So that's going to stay because that's in a good location. And then over here, I'm not going to step too far because it's a little dangerous. This is our shower area, so that is where we are going to be bringing in water, of course, for our shower. And that baseboard heat that you can see back there, that is going to be under the floor because we can't have heat in the shower, so that will be brought underneath and around to create the circuit loop. So not a lot really to show you today, but everything is progressing as it should. So next week, those closets across the room that have had no action at all should be framed up. I think the electrician's coming back and to start electrical work, and then hopefully the plumbing rough-in will be finished. So I'm looking forward to next week. Everyone have a great weekend and take care. Bye.